is what really matters at the end of the day, because you can, so if you have the required skill set, you can do any research project at any part of the world. So that is the idea. And also during this journey, I will share my own experience last 15 years as a researcher, and how I manage, and relatively I achieved many things within short period of time. So uh, I'll share my experience as well. I hope that will be useful for you to navigate yourself as well. So you will be having lectures, individual and group activities, and key intended learning outcomes. Uh, the successful completion of this course. So definitely uh, you will be able to, you know, uh, carry out an extensive literature survey to understand research gaps available, and also what are the trends. So if you look at the literature, so don't worry. So we will go in detail, and I will show you different types of papers and how you extract, the information. So don't worry. Today will be the introductory session, and so the first learning outcome will be effectively extract relevant information from authentic sources and critically analyze, because literature survey does not mean that simply it's compiling some whatever the data around. That is not the case. And you have to critically look at the literature, and to identify what are the research gaps to be introduce or the address, and trends even, like, so if you are in touch with literature, you start to see the trends in the literature. And of course, so you will figure it out, you will identify a given a research problem, and then you will create your own hypotheses and objectives, and based on your objectives you will design your research, or the research design part. And uh, and of course, you got to deliver a presentation, like, because we will be focusing on communication side and the delivery side. So it can be in the form of an oral presentation. Each and every student get a chance, and also a written form as well, right? So you see here, so we will be focusing on research method, scientific method, and literature survey. And you will carry out your own project. You can align that activity to your own study if you are into right now. Otherwise, you can really pick whatever the topic that you want. Don't worry, I will help you to refine your topic and how to identify whether it's a, the potential topic or not. So I'll be there for you to support. And the proposal presentation, of course, you get a chance to communicate your soft skill, how you deliver something. It's really, really important to have that soft skill set as a researcher. So you may be a really good researcher, but if you are not good at writing and presenting, so then you will not be able to mark your presence, right, within the research landscape. And of course, we will be focusing on literature review, research proposals, and also we will be having a poster presentation session as well. So you will prepare your own poster, right? And it will be 2 minutes presentation. So then you can figure it out how the poster presentation differs from oral presentation.